In this video, we will review how to use the Baskets feature in our digital collections platform. Baskets allow you to create sets of records and group them together. You can also share a basket with others, as well as define sharing permissions for the baskets you have created. Once you are logged into the system, you can access the Baskets feature in two ways. For the first option, you can click on your name in the top right corner of the interface and then select your baskets from the list of options. Or you may hover over Personalize in the navigation menu and select your baskets from the drop-down list. The first time you visit the Your Baskets section, the list will be empty unless you are part of a group that shares a basket. To start using the Baskets feature, you will need to select the Creating a New Basket link. Next, you will be asked to choose or add a new topic for your basket and give it a name. Note, once you have added a topic, you will have the option to select it for any future baskets you create. Your new basket will now appear in the list of your personal baskets, which are organized by topic. To edit a basket, click on the basket name. From here, you can either delete the basket or edit its settings. You can also edit the basket topic here. To edit your basket settings, click on Edit Basket. In the General Settings section, you can change the basket name, select a different topic from the existing list, or add a new topic. In the Manage Group Rights section, you can share the basket with a group, provided you are already a member of that group. We'll go over how to create groups later on in this video. To share the basket, click on Add Group and select the desired group from the list. Once you share a basket with a group, you can manage the group's rights. You can allow the group to view, add, or delete records and notes in the basket, as well as grant them sharing rights. You can set global sharing rights for the basket using the pull-down menu. The basket is now available both under Personal Baskets and under Group Baskets in the Baskets display. When you open the basket, you will see a link to its public page. Everyone who has the link will have access. Use the search function to locate relevant records to add to your basket. You can add records to your basket by selecting the checkbox next to each relevant article and clicking Add to Basket at the bottom of the search results page. On the next page, use the pull-down menu to select which basket you want to add records to. You can also add a note to the records. You may also add a record to the basket from within a specific record by clicking the Add to Basket button in the action bar and then choosing a basket. Any user with access to the basket can export the bibliographic information for the records in various formats. This functionality serves multiple purposes, such as gathering references for research and facilitating easy exports. Users can export this information directly from within the basket. If a basket is set to public, all logged-in users can subscribe to it. Once subscribed, they will find it listed under public baskets in their Your Baskets section. However, if the owner of the basket restricts its global sharing rights, subscribers will lose access to the basket. To access existing groups or add new groups, hover over Personalize in the navigation menu and select Your Groups from the drop-down list. Once inside the Your Groups page, you have the option to create a new group, edit an existing group, join a group, or leave a group. This concludes our video on using baskets. If you have any questions, please use the library's Contact Us form to reach out to us.